Why do 90% of aspiring developers never reach their goals? Because they never take the first step. Unlock your tech career in just 6 months, with hands-on training in front-end, back-end, DevOps, and deployment, all in just 180 hours. Start by mastering the building blocks, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then take your skills to the next level with React.js, Next.js, and Tailwind CSS. Build beautiful, responsive, and blazing fast web applications. Move to the server side with Java or Kotlin. Learn to build scalable backend systems using Spring Boot or Nest.js. Store and retrieve data with MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Redis like a pro. Step into the world of DevOps. Use Docker to containerize your apps. Deploy with Nginx, Apache, and AWS Cloud. Track your code with Git and collaborate on GitHub. Your future in tech begins now. Become a job-ready full-stack developer in just 6 months. Call or WhatsApp 93606757707 to book your seat today.